What's your name?
My name is Asmita.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is School Love Story.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is doctor.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like play badminton.
How many language do you know?
I speak 3 language.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street next to the bank.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is English.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learn English at school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive Scooty?
Yes, I can drive Scooty.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like English music.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes is brown.
Do you like to dancing?
No, I don't like dancing.
What's your father name?
My father name is John.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 5 rooms.
Do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What did you do for your last birthday?
I had a party with my friends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to France.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
What's your mother name?
My mother name is Mary.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you relax?
I relax by taking a long walk.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Are you good at drawing?
No, I'm not very good at drawing.
What's your favorite fruit?
Yes, I lave been on a boat.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Have you ever been on a boat?
Yes, I lave been on a boat.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
How do you get to the work?
I take the subway to work.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't have a garden.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekend?
I love hiking in the mountain.
Do you like to watch movie at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching movie at home.
What's your favorite snacks?
My favorite snacks is popcorn.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media regularly.
What's your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is evening.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant serves Italian food.
Do you prefer to travel by plane, train, or car?
I prefer to travel by plane.
What color is your bedroom?
My bedroom is painted light pink.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
I love going to the movies with my friends.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I love pepperoni pizza.
Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have a few indoor plants.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Saturday because I can relax.
Do you like to write stories or poems?
I like to write stories when I have time.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
I love wearing comfortable jeans and a t-shirt.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite juice is orange juice.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I enjoy watching cartoons sometimes.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos, especially of nature.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, like singing, but I'm not very good at it.
What did you buy from the store last time?
I brought some fruits and vegetables.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to the zoo many times.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend named Alex.
What's your favorite thing to do in the city?
My favorite thing to do is visit museums.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was The Incredible 2.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm really good at solving puzzles.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love to read a book or watch movies on rainy days.
Do you like to learn new things?
I'm always curious and love learning.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Spotify for listening to music.
Shall we catch up again next week?
Yes, let's do that. Bye. Bye.